Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Moderna INC, and the chart which you can see on your screen is a daily chart, and because of the limited amount of data we are going to look at the daily chart. So what one can see here, that from the lows of 2019 it went up by 700 and odd percent, and currently you can see, if you see the overall trend, it is more like a consolidation phase which is going on right now. So we are going to discuss about all these things, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now if I just turn this candlestick into a line chart, you will see lots of things just phased away. Okay, so let me talk about the recent trend or the current trend first, then we are going to discuss about the overall trend. So you have your current trend right now. Okay, so yep, here you can see your current trend where you find the support and resistance level. Okay, so here you have your first support at 54.33, and then you have your next support at $52. Currently the stock is at its resistance, which is at 81, so it hits there and it started correcting. Okay, so it may fall down in the short term, and there is another probable support which will come in between. So this is the support level above 54. So you have your first support at 67, then 54, then 52. On the upside you have your first target or resistance at $81, and then you have your big target at $96. So, and currently short term correction is going on. So first thing, you understand that it is inside a consolidation range where you can see the stock will move in between, and if it hits at the resistance level, it will go towards the lower end of the range and vice versa. Now unless that consolidation over, and after that if the stock makes a breakout above $97 and stay above that, then it will be a start of a new trend. But if the stock falls below $52, then it will be a breakdown, and then the chart will change accordingly. But if you look at the overall trend, let me just remove this or some of these lines. Okay, you can just have a slide down a bit and you can check these levels. Okay, now this is the current trend. Now if you are talking about the overall trend, what you can see here, firstly the stock was trading inside a range for the last one and a half year or so. Okay, so this was the range inside which the stock was trading, and the actual breakout happened in March 2000, in the late March or the end of the March 2020, where it moves. So you have this where it moves actually 218% on the upside. Okay, so if a trend breakdown happens below 52, then your first support will come at $44, and probably your big support will come at $29. So let me tell you, the first and foremost, the important thing is your resistance, support level, and the risk. So you should know that if a trend breakdown happened, where are your supports and how much risk you can take. On the upside, as I already told you, 97 will be the breakout range and it should sustain above that. And if it indeed break out over there, the target which we will probably look here will be the replica of previous trend. Okay, so the target we can find, or we will look, is $170 on the upside. Obviously it will take time, but if the rally holds and if the trend holds, this is what this is what you are going to see in the months to come, obviously, because the way the stocks are moving, uh, so it is very normal to say that it will happen in a month or in few months or few weeks. But so here you have your trend. Okay, you can, so I have used two different ways. So either you can use this trend line, and as per this trend line, once it crosses 96 or 97, you will have your big range, which will come in between 150 to $206, and more precisely I've talked about $170. But obviously we do know that the stocks can move, it's not going to move in a linear fashion, so it may move like this or this, so it's better to use the trend. So this is the position which one should look, and obviously you will have corrections and consolidations, but once the trend breakout happens, it will give you decent amount of return. But understand this, do not just phased away by 10-20% of returns, because if you don't understand your positioning and simply buying it without considering the stop loss, what you will end up is loss. Okay, so do not just jump in a trend and do not understand the trend. Okay, if you follow somebody, just listen to them properly. Do not with a span of, if you spend 1 minute and you're putting your money, so that's nobody's business, that's your business, and you and yourself is solely responsible for those kind of irresponsible actions. Okay, so if you are following somebody, follow them carefully and listen to whatever they are saying, and do not just listen their half words and just jump into the trade. And if you know your investment ideas, if you have your own research, then follow them with a disciplined manner. Do not just do it in a lame way, and sometimes I will do like this and sometimes I'll feel happy, so I'll take more risk. So don't do these kind of things. Okay, this won't work. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.